بسم الله والحمد لله وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن والاه. Inshallah, in this chapter we'll cover chapter 3, and in chapter 3 we will trying to find the root. How we gonna find the root? Simply we'll find the root by eliminating the extra letters that we add to. So if all the times, if you go back to chapter 1, which is the basic, we add, when we have roots, we add all the letters, so we make different forms, like from قل we make it قال, يقول, سيقولون. So we adding letter. Simply, this is the opposite way. If you need to find the root, you have to take those adding letter out and find the roots. There is example in chapter 3 over here. There is example سيعملون. If I look at سيعملون, this word, where is the root? If I remember from the first chapters, that seen, it add future, that yeah, it add present, waw noon, it make plural. So basically, if I take seen out, yeah out, waw noon out, so it's gonna be in the middle. If you can find you will find the root in the middle. A mim lam, ain mim lam. So ain mim lam, amila, is the root, and the extra from like in the right side and the left side, sin and waw noon, basically just adding letter. So how do I know those adding letter? Basically, mostly it's the last two, or first two, or first one, and mostly the roots in the middle. It's not all the times, but sometimes, or most of the times. And how do you learn how to just eliminate those letters? Because you know the basic rules. The basic rules: if I add waw alif, or I add waw noon, or I add sin, or I add ya, or I add fa, or I add hatta, all those, hatta is separate, but if you add like bi, ba, all those you just cancel it. Same, anything you add it in the basic rules, you add it to you can cancel it, and the Quran is repeated. So سيعملون, over here we learn from this سيعملون that we can cancel sin, ya, waw noon, and I explained already the grammar for it. And the same for سيحرسون, سيقتلون, سيسمعون, سيمكثون. If you know harasa means somebody, when the planters he digging the lands, he's haras, make harasa. qatala in the middle means kill. So we adding siya, waw noon, and ya, same thing. سيسمعون, sami'a mean hear. So we adding sin, waw noon, and ya. سيمكثون, the same thing. So you remember, if you hear all those words, it's the same grammar, because they have the same adding letter. Whenever there is same adding letter, same grammar, same rules. And it's very basic. Once you learn the basic rules, you can solve, I would say, 85% to 90% of the problems. So you know, okay, there's all the times exceptions, but doesn't matter. Look at the samples of over here. Alima means no, and you will see all those from alima. Ata'lamuna, a'lamu, ya'lamu, al-alamin, al-alimun, al-alim, and so on. All this from alima. Alima means no. So what should I do? I just take the word, like over here, I take alim, I take alim, so I know alima is the root. I take out the alif, I take out over here the ba, because the ba we know it's extra. Biqawli ba, we adding ba. We know that when we add alif lam, like in the beginning, al kitabu al qawl, we explained in the first chapter. Sin is future, y is present, waw noon is plural, wa it's ataf at end. We explain all those rules in the beginning. So what you do, you just simply cancel those adding letter and get the roots. And there are samples, just to practice it, to see how, like this, I'll just give you samples how you can cancel all those words from the beginning and from the ending, and learn from out of it the grammars, and then you get the roots, which is what you're looking for. Inshallah, we will cover all the roots, so your hearing will be very good, that you know the roots even just by looking. You don't have to think about it. Basically, this is like chapter this is chapter 3. It's just you need to memorize those rules, and how you cancel the ahruf, like وَيَتَعَلَّمُونَ alima, see the middle ayn lam mim, in the beginning waw, we know waw it's adding, ya is present, ta وَيَتَعَلَّمُونَ, we didn't put ta, but it's for reason in Arabic, just to make it like more emphasis. Waw noon, it's just for make it more than one, like plural. So basically it's the same. We're gonna add all the times, go back to the basic rules, all the times go back to the first chapter, and learn and memorize those basic form, because those basic form, if you look at mostly all the Quran, it's those basic form plus like some kind of kaf mim adding, ha adding, ha mim adding. We explain all those in the first chapter. So inshallah, just to practice it, and I think this chapter is very easy. You just eliminate the ahruf, which is the extra one. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Inshallah, we will go to chapter 4 next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.